All right, back we go with more videos. January 25th. Let's check out some more stocks. Most of these are small caps. Let's start off with NBEV. I think everyone remembers this stock. New age consumer defensive beverages, 291 million market cap, income minus 101 million, sales 248 million, 95 million float, higher float. No news in this since December 10th on FinBiz. It's been a while. It's founded in 2010, headquartered in Denver, Colorado. Develops, markets, sells, distributes healthy liquid dietary supplements and ready to drink RTD beverages. Tea, kombucha, energy drinks, relaxation drinks. Sells its products across 50 states, 60 countries internationally. Monthly on this, let's take a look. So we have this around 2014 coming to TC2000. And this is what I'm using here is TC2000, this charting software. So this went to 250, down to a quarter. 2016 we jumped up, fell back from like 750 all the way, then a bounce to 950. On the weekly, you see 2017 this really exploded. Then it finally came back 2018 to about the 150 level. Then we shot up again. Look at this move. Big move. And then let's go to the daily. Daily after that move 2018, you had a bounce 2019. Then look at this sideways. Down, channel down. Look at this channel. Very tight channel till March. Then we really dropped to $1, this $1 level. We're bouncing back and forth. But the main thing, what do you see here? This low, getting higher, getting higher, getting higher. And right now, it hasn't even dropped to this trend line, too. So a stop will be 2 right here. You don't really want to go below there. And then right at 350, that's where we just recently were at December. And now it looks like we're climbing up again. See these candles back and forth? It looks like we're going to test 350. If we get over 350, you want that to hold. And see that back in 2019. I draw this out. And then you want this to hold 350 and keep going, go by each 50 cents. We'll see what it does here. You really want to stop closer to 275 would be good. You don't really want it to fall 250 and below. But see the winding move here? It's going up. So the trend is up, which is very good on NBEV. All right, here's eyes. This is Second Sight Medical Products. No news in this since September 22nd. You got to be kidding me. That's what FinBiz says. No press releases for a penny stock. You got to be kidding me. Why would they put out a press release? That's really amazing. 47 million market cap, income minus 21 million, 0.5 million sales, 6.2 million float. Develops, manufactures, markets implantable visual prosthetics that intend to deliver artificial vision to blind individuals. It's founded in 1998, headquartered in Selmar, California. So if people have nerve injury, disease, eye injury. All right, let's see here. Why would they put a press release out? It's really strange. I have here 2014. Just had a split, so it wasn't really 190, but then it came crashing down 2016, 17, 18 as we look at the weekly. See this down we go. And on the daily here, you have about this 8 line and 10 line. It really channeled for almost a year. Then it had a split 2020. Then went crashing down in March, as most stocks with the coronavirus. Then it's bounced off this, what lines is 75, came to 2. Then another little bounce, but then it really flattened for, seemed like forever. And then we get a big spike, 69 million. This went all the way up to 225 plus. Came back, 13 over to 20. It's really ignited this with many of these stocks in this. After this November, it's been they've been on fire. All right, so this one up to 150, big move up to 4 plus. Then we came back, found new base around 175. And here we are now trying to get over 2. I'd like this to get back to this 325 level. See this here? That's a big move. The low's getting higher. You're winding up back and forth. There's been no press releases, so there's a better chance that something will come out. We'll say something. So as long as this low holds too, you want this 175 to hold, maybe even 150, but I like how this is going up. Another one that has plenty of room to the upside here. OCX. On-site corporation healthcare. Let's see here. Now it says 25 million registered offering. That was the 20th. Founded 2009, headquartered in Irvine, California. Engages, develops commercialization of proprietary laboratory developed tests for detection of cancer. Strategic collaboration with Guardian Research. Let's see here. 57 million float, market cap 387 million, income minus 31 million, 0.07 million in sales. Monthly, it shot up all the way to 10 back in 2016, back and forth. You can see right here this, I'm trying to get right on this line, the 7 line, back and forth. And the low line really is about 125. Look at this back and forth. 125, the 7 line is huge in this stock. The weekly, look, going back to 2016 and 17. Look at this weekly line. Could never get over it. And then it tried again in 2019. Look where we are now in 2021. Look at the volume. This based here, and look at it go up. The wraparound. See the wraparound? That is the famous move from high to low, and then we come back up again. And then really explodes up. 152, and this thing is still going. Now on the daily, had a gap right here at about 325, fell. Got to 125, went back and forth. Can actually put in line right here, this like 3 or 2 line. So you can see right here. See this 2 line back and forth. It touched it August, touched it October, exploded up. Didn't hold in that big volume bar right here, but it did come back to 225. And then look, it kept going. This is a grinding long. It kept going at every bounce. 1320 EMA. And then look at now, look at it, one big candle, like gapped sideways, a gap. It's so gapping out, very overbought. Would you want to buy it here? No. Is it going to go to 7? It possibly could at this point. This could fall all the way back to easily to 4, 350. And then it might even bounce here. That gap might bounce here or might bounce here. So when you have a stock here, you don't really want to buy it here. You can day trade it. You want to buy a stock down here before it moves, or even on a dip. See right here? Look at that little move here, then buy it here on the breakout. So this is, incredible run. We'll see where it goes on this stock. STCN. This is Steel Connect. Float 55 million. Market cap 158 million. Minus 15 million income. Sales 727 million. Releases letter from Executive Chairman Warren Lichtenstein on passing of Tommy Lasorda. I guess that was there a connection there. It's founded 1986, headquartered in Waltham, Massachusetts. Provides direct marketing, supply chain services, United States, China, Netherlands, internationally. Data analytics, creative services, promotional cars. They do all kinds of stuff. Retail compliance, package ship. Let's see here again. Let me read that. Supply chain. All right, the monthly on this. So you can see here the first dot I have on this little line is 1994. It was about 172, 162. This rode up to 1600 plus, which wasn't really 1600. This has had 1, 2, 3 splits back in the .com era, and then had another split 2007. So whatever it was, this thing climbed up front side pyramid, backside. It's been flat pretty much since 2001. Go to the weekly here. You can see it here. Can't even go back that far. On the daily, let's get a little bit closer. So this dropped from 375, 2016, bounced to 250. It went all the way down to 50 cents. Out of that 50-cent line for a while. Then it broke up December. Flat a little bit, 75. Then there we go, like these stocks gapping. $1, big move, huge gap up to 250. Now here we are now. Hovering at this 250, we're at 220. It's fading a little bit. If this fades down past 175, 150, maybe a bounce. Maybe before there. You don't want this to go all the way down. But I think you'll get a bounce somewhere in there. So we'll see. And then 250, you got to break 250 and hold. And then after that, go up each line here. 325, 350. So it's got to hold that 250, which is really important. But this has been on a big run. They've been on such big runs. There's no real pullbacks, even though this is pulling back now. So we'll see what happens on this stuff. All right, please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades. Hit the like button. Smash the like button. TradeIdeas.com referral. Twitter, MikeFrank007. TikTok, MikeFrankII. Instagram, MikeFrank98. The stock Twitch, Mike Cayman Trades. Check them out. And we're out.